Faustina. So today we are going to do Tang video. So I got Tang, ice, the Tang powder and sugar and water and one jar. So now let's start. This is mango Tang powder. So first we will put water in it, and after putting water we will also mix it. Now we will put Tang powder. It's already looking orange, you can see. I mean it's yellow color, look, you can see it. Now we add little sugar, just 2 spoons and little. And we mix it with a spoon. It's looking so tasty. I can't wait to taste it. And this is very good to drink on summer. It's very healthy too. Now we have to just put little more Tang powder to make the taste yummier. It's going to taste very yummy. You can also try it in your home. You should always keep mixing till the powder dissolves. Now let us put some ice. You can see that the ice is there. Now we will mix it just little more so the ice can get colder in the juice and it melts in the water. Now we can taste it. So yummy it is. You can also try it. It's very good and I like Tang. You can please try this drink. It's very great drink in summer season and it's very healthy. If you like it, if you like my video, share, like and subscribe. I hope you all liked it. Bye.